little bit about this program, and I will hand it over to Mr. Vishal to take over from this. Okay, so this is a boot camp for ServiceNow and IT business analyst program. We are helping people in training them and getting them job ready for an IT business analyst role in ServiceNow technology specialization. So why are we talking about ServiceNow here? Okay, so to start this career into an IT business analyst, you don't need to be from a technology background. Okay, and you don't need to have any kind of coding skills. This is a two-phase training, and so we're going to. This is a two-phase training. We're going to start with. Sorry, I'm just going through this slides over here. First phase is ServiceNow portal training. So we're going to teach you with ServiceNow, and then we're going to phase two. We will be discussing about teaching you skills on IT business analyst training. So why are we doing in phases here? Because even though IT business analyst skills are in demand, having a ServiceNow or any kind of system knowledge in your resume can attract more jobs, and you can get into job faster both in US market, in Canada market, also in India as well. ServiceNow is globally one of the fastest growing technology. Having a specialization of a tool in your business analyst career brings in a lot of value. So the first training of ServiceNow will be delivered by Mr. Vishal, and he will introduce himself shortly. And phase two of BA will be taught by Ajay, and we will be teaching you a full stack business analyst training where you will learn IT business analysis. This program is to help you become an IT business analyst in a software development scenario framework. Okay, so you will go 0 to 100 in a period of 2.5 months. Today is the first day of the session. The way we have planned this program is it's very important for you to understand what is ServiceNow, the scope of it, how to become an IT administrator. So anybody who finishes this program will be able to become either an IT ServiceNow administrator, or you will become a business analyst in ServiceNow deployment space. So we will be delivering you everything. If you're here for the first time, I would like to welcome you again. There are certifications. All of those details will be given to you by Vishal. And without taking much time, I will hand over the session to Mr. Vishal, and you can take it from here. Hello, sir. Over to you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Hi, good evening, everyone. And Sudhir, if you can give me the sharing access, that would be great.
You're the host now.
No, I guess you, by mistake, you gave post access to different person.
Oops, sorry.
Great. Hi, good evening, everyone.
Good evening, Vishal. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you, Anand bhai? Hey,
All
hi,
good, sir.
Apeksha.
All
Good
good.
evening.
Good.
Fantastic. Super. Great. So, friends, a quick question again. The ones who had joined us for the ServiceNow demo, again, I would like to share in a disclaimer. The ones who have not started their audio and video, probably after my session, there might be some issues with your audio and video because if you don't check, it's a disclaimer. So I would request everyone to quickly check in their video and audio whether it's working or not. So, good evening, everyone. Can
Good
you
evening.
quickly check it whether? Yes, now it's working. Fantastic. Others? It's only three. So, friends, don't blame me in a new year if your computer stop hanging or not working because you cannot blame me. Okay? Great. Awesome. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly go ahead and once I get the sharing permission, I'll be sharing my screen and I'll be sharing you a QR code which you have to scan, which will give you a short update on who am I. Okay, so just hold on for a moment. So this way, can I get a permission?
You're the host.
No, I don't think I'm the host now.
You're not? Okay, give me a minute. I think I've given
Yes,
to
it's
somebody else.
Abid. Yeah, you have given to Abid by mistake.
Okay, hang on 1 minute.
Yes,
How about
great.
now?
Have to be honest.
Yes, thank you so much. So friends, I want you to go ahead and scan this QR code. I hope everyone is able to see my screen now. I hope my screen is visible. So can you quickly go ahead and scan the code and let me know what do you find? So this is just a way of testing how good you are following my instructions. And please type in what you find in the link. Okay. So please let me know once it's done. So I would request everyone to go ahead and scan the QR code and let me know whether you are getting my LinkedIn profile or not. And I'll give you 10 more seconds. So
No,
friends,
the
what did you find?
it's
Okay.
I'm getting ServiceNow website.
Okay, fantastic. You're getting ServiceNow website. Okay, so is it with everyone else or like it's only with? Okay, Raman says, okay, very good. What about others? Hey, hi, Dhanush. Hi, everyone. Okay, same here. Congratulations. So we have almost 5 or 10 people saying ServiceNow. You are not getting my LinkedIn profile. Fantastic. Let me wait for a few more answers. Friends, can you quickly check in? And I would request someone to go into mute. Yes. Okay. Fantastic. So everyone, guys, it's the ServiceNow page. Okay, fantastic. ServiceNow website. Fantastic. Everyone says, okay. So guys, congratulations. It's indeed the ServiceNow page. So remember one thing before we start into this session, the first and very important point for you is to ensure that we all know that do not scan any unknown link or do not click on any unknown link. So which I want to highlight here is also do not scan any unknown QR code. I started my session and I asked you a quick question to scan this QR code, and you quickly scanned it. You thought that you will find my profile, and it eventually took you to the ServiceNow page. Okay. So I'm going to show you something very interesting, and then we dive into this session. Okay. For just a minute. I'll show you what I have done. Okay. So I'm happy that everyone in the room. Yes, Ajay, you want to share something?
Sir, I just want to quickly ask. I've been asking in the chat if we're going to get a copy of this recording of the class.
Yes.
All
Yes.
right,
Yes.
thank
I have responded. Yeah, I have responded that yes, you'll get.
you. All right, thank
Okay,
you very much. Yes.
thank you. So, friends, what I would like to show you is something that once you have clicked or scanned on my QR code, you can see what I have got is this list. So, I can see that out of everyone in the room, I guess we have around 30 people in the room, including me and Sudesh Bhai. 23 of you have clicked on the link, and you can see this is the result where we have 23 people who have scanned the QR code and mostly Canada and US. And if you go through it, in the first page, I can see only Canada and US. Let me see some other IP addresses if are there. I can also see that some of you have logged in using an Android phone and from India. Okay? One of you, in fact, two of you have logged in from India, Bangalore, and I have got your IP address. Okay? So this part, what I say, who has logged in from India? So we have someone who has logged in from Nigeria also. Wow, very good. Friends, who would share that who has logged in from Bangalore and Nigeria? Okay, I
Hi,
can see
Vishal. This is
almost every.
Sheila here. It's me from India, Bangalore.
Okay, fantastic. So Sheila, this was another trap. So idea is when I am asking someone because I am getting your IP address, and once I ask this question and you respond back, which clearly means that I have identified the right person, right? So it's always better to avoid in similar scenario because going forward, when we are working on cloud services, especially ServiceNow, you might get some unknown links and unwanted links. So please beware. So friends, I'll just show you what information we have got. So we have got IP address, we have got country. I'm also getting the which mobile or which browser I'm using. You can see that I'm also getting the iOS version, see, 18.2, which is the latest version. And I'm getting the details of ISP. So why I showed you this was whenever you go ahead and scan any unknown QR code, there is a high chance that once you scan through this, you might get hacked, or probably you might sharing your sensitive information. So going forward, when we are working on, especially on cloud, you need to understand that do not click or scan any unknown QR code. Happy now? Good? Okay, fantastic. Great. So friends, I'm going to share in a very, very interesting photograph. And before starting in, friends, I am Vishal Dave. I am an IT security expert. I'm also an ethical hacker. I'm a SOC specialist. Along with, I have a great experience of 2 decades. I specialize in system and network security, reverse engineering, pen testing, along with AWS, cloud security, Jira, and ServiceNow. I'm more passionate about empowering future cybersecurity professionals, along with those who want to transition into a complete new career. So, if you are a one who wants to transition into cybersecurity, service now, I help you to enable yourself to get into this by making and simplifying you into the transition process. So, I'll be your mentor for this particular session, and I'll be taking you through the ServiceNow journey. So before moving or diving into this journey, I'm sharing you a image, and I want you to let me know that what is the first thing comes in your mind when you see this picture. So I'll give you 2, 3 minutes. I want you to go through this picture. I have given you a hint. So I want you to share in the chat box, or if you want to unmute yourself, you can unmute yourself and can let me know what do you see here. What is this? Anyone would like to add on? Let's see. And friends, trust me, the more you respond, more you learn. And Sheila, now you can respond. Great. Okay, airport runway, fantastic. Airport, okay. Wow, Calgary Tower, okay, fantastic, very good. So, quick question, the ones who have responded, like in a ServiceNow class, why I am sharing you airport control tower? Okay, coordinating air traffic, fantastic, Apeksha. Thank you so much for that answer. Apeksha, you would like to add on what is exactly how it is coordinating air traffic or anything? Awesome.
Hello. Yeah, yeah. Can you hear me? My voice.
Yes,
So,
yes, Apeksha.
well, I just guess it that it controls the air traffic. I mean, and gives the commands, and uh, I don't know what to explain in brief. To be honest, it just came into my.
In short, to add in, it also coordinates with communication between the pilots and the ground
Oh
services,
yeah, yeah, yeah. Correct.
ensuring that the planes landing and taking off are doing it safely, right?
Yeah.
Awesome, fantastic.
Yeah. Thank you.
So, Apeksha, a quick question
Yeah.
again, like, why do you think that I have started with airport control tower in a service now?
I guess we are talking about the IT thing right now. So you just trying to connect the dots between the IT, and you just give us the examples that because it's written in the hint that it says airport control tower which controls the air traffic. So maybe you're gonna talk something about the IT and IT traffic. I mean, I do not have much knowledge about IT, so
Oh, fantastic,
yeah.
fantastic. Apeksha, brownie points for you for hitting the ball out of the park. Congratulations. Sheila
Thank
would like
you.
to add on to it, like air traffic control.
No, I was just saying, the tower, that is the air traffic control.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, fantastic. So I can see Ometre has said military base. Ometre, you would like to add on to this? Like, what do you want to add in here? Okay, fantastic. Abid, you would like to add on? You can find
Uh,
this at the Calgary Tower.
yeah, I think it's a center for maintaining all the airport data or
Okay,
signal.
fantastic. So, friends, as per your inputs, if I go through it, should I confirm that this airport control tower is responsible for managing all the air traffic in and around the airport? And as mentioned, it will communicate between the pilot and the ground services. Agreed? Yes or yes?
Yep.
Fantastic. To add on, the different functions is it will direct incoming and outgoing flights. It will resolve any issues like delays or emergencies. It can also prioritize which plane will take off first or land based on urgency and as well as the runways available. Yes or yes? What do you think? So, friends, if you think it's yes, please type yes in the chat box, which will help me to understand. And the last one would be it will provide us a real-time information to pilots and ground services. Okay, so Taj, thank you so much for that. Yes. Friend, that brings me to ServiceNow. So
Saturday.
ServiceNow is an IT service management platform which centralizes and manages various business processes.
Pardon? Yeah.
I guess there is if you could mute yourself, that would be awesome. Great. So it helps us in managing various business processes like incident management, service request, change management, and problem resolution. So just like the control tower monitors and manages all air traffic in real time, ServiceNow act as the centralized hub to manage all your service incidents and tasks in real time. Again, if you go through the control tower, it manages and assigns specific landing or takeoff. In ServiceNow, it routes incidents or service requests to ensure that the correct department addresses it and it gets solved as per the priority. Again, not only this, but incident requests, flights, as we manage in air control traffic, it also manages various incidents. So just imagine when we try to collaborate both, it has a similarity that it addresses or centralizedly monitor everything. So similarly, ServiceNow is going to help us by monitoring and ensuring that there's a smooth flow in our incident management, service requests, task in an organization. Again, very, very crucial. Prioritizing what to escalate, what not to escalate, and ensuring that everyone gets a timely resolution. So, friend, with this, I want you to go ahead and share this four things. And again, I don't want you to share it on typing the screen, but I want you to go ahead and unmute yourself. Share me your name, your experience. If you are completely new to ServiceNow, please let me know that you are completely new to ServiceNow. If you have any specific topic which you want me to cover, please let me know that. And also, if you can add on that, what is the takeaway which you are looking forward to from this session? Because I am going to help you in transitioning. So the ones who are completely new, welcome on board. The ones who have a limited knowledge, I'm going to ensure that you have gone to the next level. And the ones who already have a basic knowledge, I'm going to show you some surprises which will help you in enhancing your ServiceNow journey. So, who would like to go first? So, friends, you can unmute yourself and can let me know your name, experience, topic you want to add, takeaway, and
I,
anything else. Hey,
Alive.
hi,
I
Ajik.
I'll just go first. So my name is Ajik,
Yes.
and I have 5 years experience as a business analyst, but I've never
Wow.
had done service now. Uh, so and I've been out of work for a bit, so I'm starting to see that most of the request or job postings are very service now based. So I was really
Right.
happy when I saw this opportunity. If there's something I really want to know is to really understand the ServiceNow modules. I know there are a couple like the CSM, the ITOM, and ITSM modules. So I really want to
Right.
understand what they are. And if there's something I want to take away, I think I just want to really understand the role that a BA plays in the implementation or the usage of ServiceNow for like a SDLC, like the life cycle, or like what is a business analyst role during the ServiceNow implementation, something like that. I don't know if that makes
All
sense.
right. Okay. Fantastic. Fantastic. Very good. So, anything else you would like to add on, Ajik?
For now, no.
Okay, fantastic. Thank you. Thank you for your input. Yes, we will be sharing in the details and how we can connect the dots between BA and ServiceNow. Thank you. Thank you so much for going in first. Who want to go next?
Tajuddin will go first. Next. Good
Welcome,
evening,
welcome, Taj.
all.
Please go ahead.
My name is Tajuddin. I'm speaking from United States of America. I'm new to service now. I'm really new to it, but I have a little experience about business analysis. I have a little experience about software development life cycle. For example, the implementation of Epic in the healthcare system in the United States. So, and I could see that we used to log in some of the projects. So we used to log, use the service now to log the use it as ticketing tools. So at the same time, I know it's still connected. Sometimes when I browse through the LinkedIn, I see service now business analyst. So I know that I know of a service now admin. I've come across those ones. So I just want to see which one we can quickly grab to get a quick job.
Oh, fantastic, fantastic. So yes, you have identified correctly. Like we have ServiceNow admin, and the most which is catching up is ServiceNow BA because that is the upgrade for BA. So as a business analyst, knowing ServiceNow will absolutely add on to what you have knowledge. Okay, fantastic. So Apeksha, you can go ahead.
Hi Vishal, good evening. So
Hi, good evening.
my name is Apeksha Shah, and I do not have any experience about ServiceNow. And topics in terms of topics I want to add, but sorry, I have done ambient project management from England, and I would like to know more about ServiceNow today, as this is the very first session. So I have lots of questions, and I'm a bit confused, like what does actually you guys do? So I would like to know more about that. And in terms of takeaway, I just want to I think IT is a very like growing industry, and what I have studied, I guess, if I'll get some more knowledge about the IT thing, and if I can connect the dots between my study and this thing, then definitely I have a good opportunity for my future. So yeah, that's all from my side.
Fantastic. So
Sorry,
Apeksha, you can throw in all your questions.
Vishal, bhai, just to interrupt here. Hey guys,
Yes.
what I'm going to do is you're going to get the recording tomorrow, and you're also going to get my Calendly link. Okay, you can set up a quick call with me, and we can discuss in
Right.
detail how to transition to the job market. Just to answer your questions in a very high level, some of you might be trained as a BA, or some of them are very new to this. I do want to tell you that in today's job market, becoming a business analyst alone is not enough for you to get a job. Okay, both in US and Canada, it's very important for you to have a specialization. Recruiters are not just going to search for a BA role, but they're going to look for guys who have specialization. Having a service now in knowledge in your in a business analyst role gets you a job faster. Also, it has gives you better job security and a get better paycheck. So I have done a exclusive video on these topics. I will be sending you emails tomorrow with that video link where I've discussed in detail how to transition as a BA and also as a ServiceNow BA. Okay, guys, thank you.
Fantastic. And friend, just to add on, it's like once we get started, we will get to know you. The sole reason is the initial three trainings are to knowing about you and actually preparing a customized roadmap because we'll help you to get started with the journey. So it's not about joining the journey, but ensuring the journey is meaningful. Thank you, Apeksha, for sharing. And Apeksha, you can throw in all your questions. We'll be there and happy to help you.
Yeah.
And
Thank
the best part is this will not be theory, it will be more of a practical. So what I'll be doing is before jumping into ServiceNow and everything, I'll also get you started with a ServiceNow instance. The
Yeah.
best part is once we get started with ServiceNow instance, I'm sure you would start loving it. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you very much.
Hey, hi, Abid, please go ahead.
Hi, my name is Abid Hussain, and I come from completely different background. I'm basically a mechanical engineering. I have done my mechanical engineering from India, and then I've done my business management in Canada. So I do not have any similar experience in IT, or I don't have any kind of IT knowledge. I just want to know that how that works, as I see there is growing demand for IT, and I see that there is no coding required for this service
Yes,
now.
absolutely.
That's the advantage. So I want to build my career in this field.
Fantastic. So, Abid Bhai, that's the reason why we have started this because no coding required. Yes, that's one thing which is very, very important, and this will ensure that you get ready with the role. Thank you. Anand Bhai, you want to go ahead?
Yeah, sure. I can go ahead.
Yes.
So, my name is Anand Desai. I have around 20 years of experience in governance, risk, and compliance, majorly on the non-financial risk aspects, first line, second line of defense, or to be very precise, operational risk and enterprise risk. And I've also done SOX compliance. I've built framework for SOX 404,
Oh, very
internal
good.
control reporting. Um, Recently, I was being picked by a consulting firm as a senior business consultant. The objective there, so they picked me for my risk expertise, but technically what I'm doing is I'm performing as a product owner, business analyst, or a project management role based on where they need me. The technology that we are working on is IBM Open Pages for now. Um,
Okay.
and uh, my intent of this is to build more technical skills. So if you look at my profile, it's more from business perspective. I understand frameworks and all, but on the risk management side. um, so so in last 5 years that I've been a part of global governance and control, I realized that somewhere
Oh,
I
wow.
lost my expertise, and hence I wanted to ensure that I build some expertise. Now, considering that I'm in North America, I don't want to compete in areas where it is already matured, right? Operational risk or whatever. That is a very saturated market. So I was looking to build more skills on technical side. Um, I also have a background in industrial engineering, but then eventually I ended up
Oh,
doing my MBA in two majors, marketing and finance, both. So
oh,
yeah, that is where
fantastic.
I stand. You can say that first 20 years has been a great journey. And now for next 20, 25 years, I'm looking at a great technical career, right? So the objective
Oh,
is to start with this, pick up on this, and then end up getting into implementation specialist, right? And then we'll take the journey from there.
great, great. Which means you want the best of both the worlds.
Yeah, I mean, I see that that's a gap, right? That's a gap that somebody has to fill.
Yes, yeah.
So today you
Right,
have
right.
a
That's
technical expert, but then you don't have somebody who understands business. So, for example, the project that I'm working
right.
on currently is IBM Open Pages, but then the expertise that they leverage is risk management understanding, right? Because we are building a standalone infrastructure for one of the entities they plan to divestiture, right? So they plan to exit from
Right.
that market. So they need to build a standalone infrastructure. And the first thing that they want to look at is all their risk framework, right? So credit risk, market risk, investment risk,
True.
liquidity risk, and then I'm helping them set up that framework from business perspective. But then I end up working very closely with development team as a product owner, product manager, business analyst, based on whatever they need me to do, right? So I'm now very much used to Jira, Confluence, XYZ. Yeah. So yeah, I'm just
Okay,
getting into it,
fantastic.
but still not a very technical person. So that's where I
Okay,
want to start
fantastic.
my ServiceNow journey. Yeah.
So just to share it, like ServiceNow now is very, very crucial in context of GRC also.
Correct. I read it somewhere that they plan to. So there is Archer, there is IBM Open Pages, there is ServiceNow that they are planning to
Yes,
target
yes. So they have
GRC.
centralized policy management, risk time
Correct.
visibility, and automated workflows. So title keep
Correct.
once you are into this, it's like best of both the worlds.
So this is where I sort of discovered that as well, right? Because currently I'm working on a couple of modules: policy management module, internal audit module,
Oh, okay.
and regulation and compliance risk module, right? So that's where I discovered that
Yes,
this is also
yes.
an upcoming platform. So now you see the
Big,
synergy where I am heading, right? So
right.
that's a
Absolutely,
synergy I want to
absolutely.
build. Yeah.
In fact, just to add on, risk management framework is very, very crucial, and that is part of ServiceNow. So this
Yeah.
is going to be very interesting journey where it's like a merger of both the things. So you get best of both the worlds.
But you'll be
Very good.
interesting to know. And again, I won't take much time. So I am very good with Basel frameworks, right? So Basel 1, Basel 2, Basel 3, SOX framework 404. But when it comes to
Okay.
IT risk, COBIT framework, I am not exposed to that, right?
Right.
So that is also another piece that somewhere I might have to tie. Right.
No worries. It's a learning. We learn from each other. That's the best thing.
Sure. Sure. I
Very
think
good.
that is where you
Thank you
have a
so much.
strong background. Yeah, I know that you have a strong background there. Yeah.
Yes. So that's fun, but it's going to be an interesting journey. We'll love it for sure.
Sure.
In fact, everyone will learn. And the best part is having the knowledge like this is like fantastic because that will be a lot of input from your end also. Very good.
Correct.
Great. Hey, hi, Natalie. Natalie, that goes. Please go ahead.
Yeah, hi Vishal, how are you? This is like Nitali.
Natalie, okay, sorry. Yeah, go ahead, please.
Yeah, so my name is Nitali, and right now I'm a real estate agent in Canada. And regarding service now, if you honestly ask me, I have no prior IT experience, but I speak to
Okay,
Sudesh. My husband is into IT.
okay,
So I have a lot of chat with Sudesh over the phone. So
okay.
that's where my interest starts. I was looking to do BA initially, and then
Right.
he told me
Mhm,
like it's of no use only BA as per today's market,
mhm.
and you don't need coding at
Right,
all. And if you don't have an experience period for IT, it doesn't matter. So that's where I get
right,
my confidence from. I see your recorded videos for the last class, I guess, for last three sessions you took for another
right.
class. So that sounds interesting. I saw a couple of YouTube videos, to be honest, that how the workflows and everything went. Something
Okay,
sounds
fantastic.
interesting. Let's hope for the best. Fingers crossed.
Okay, great, great. So, like how old is your experience in real estate market? Like how?
It's been 6 years I'm doing real estate.
Okay, fantastic. Very good. So again, it's a great transition journey. We will help you to go ahead. And the best part is like there is no coding required. So it's very easy to go and transition into this. And trust me, I'll ensure that the journey is smooth.
Yeah, coming to Canada, I'm always looking for a transition from an architect to a realtor. It's a big transition
Oh,
for me at first place.
okay, okay, fantastic. So don't worry, IT is something which will solve everyone's task. So ServiceNow is actually a boon for everyone.
Okay,
So
perfect.
you
Thank you so
gradually
much.
transition into IT as well as and without learning coding. Thank you.
Thanks, Vishal.
Hey, hi, Michelle. You can go ahead next. Michelle, you are there? Okay. Gautam Sabani, you are there? Friends, you can volunteer. That would be awesome. Ramandeep, you are there? Ramandeep?
Yes, I'm here. Can you hear me?
Yes, yes, I can hear you. Good evening.
Uh,
Go ahead.
Good evening. So my name is Ramandeep Sharma. I'm from Vaughan, Ontario, and I've been in the logistic and supply chain for over 10 years in trucking.
Mm.
And before that, I did work as a business analyst for a couple of years when I was new in the country. Somehow I transit into trucking, logistics, management. And I did speak to Sudesh about business analyst, and he mentioned about this ServiceNow because this field is really getting hyped, and there's a good scope to enter instead of just being a business analyst. And the trucking industry, the logistic, it took a hit last year, and I lost my job.
Okay.
So I'm just looking for
Oh,
options, what is out there and where I can fit in this year, or what's good for my future career. So that's why I'm here, and that's all about me. Thank you.
fantastic. So, Raman, like, do you have any, like, have you ever gone through ServiceNow or just uh, gone through what is ServiceNow or how it
Yes, I
works?
did.
Explore?
I did saw the recording. You guys had a session
Okay.
webinar. I did saw it,
Right.
and
Okay.
but I think it's like I would consider myself a newbie, to be honest. Like I want to see like how my experience can fit in here and how I can just go back to my logistic industry, supply chain, and how we can incorporate, everything, being a business analyst and service now. So I'm just looking for exploring the options here, like how I can
Okay.
fit in.
Fantastic. 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 Great.
Thank
Uh,
you.
s- Sunday, you want to go ahead? Sunday Omale? Sunday Omale, you are there? Okay. Samir Mohammed, Samir, you are there? Samir Mohammed.
Yeah, good
Guys, you
evening.
can go ahead and respond. That's perfect.
Yeah, good evening. My name is Ismail Musegiwa.
Good
I'm
evening.
just I'm just joining you now.
Okay, okay, great. Please go ahead. So, Ismail, if you can share about yourself, like what are you into? Do you have any experience in ServiceNow, or you're looking forward to anything specific?
Actually, I have an experience in computer engineering,
Okay.
on IT level, but I don't have much experience in business analysis. So I want to go more deeper and to have more experience in business analysis. Thank you.
Okay, great, great. Thank you, Ismail. Thank you. Welcome on board. Hey, hi, Karishma. You want to go ahead?
What I mean?
Ismail, thank you. Welcome. Thank you for sharing.
Okay, you're welcome.
Yeah. Karishma, you are there? Okay, Sudipto. Yes, hi, Sudipto. You can go ahead, please.
Hi, I am Sudipto. I I did my master's here in industrial engineering, and before that, I had 3 years of experience in washing machine manufacturing company. And
Oh,
after my
wow.
graduation, I did 1 year course on data science and AI. So I was supposed to go to data analyst or data science field, and that's what I was looking for. And then I met with Mr. Sudis, and he told me like, and as a business analyst, it's a good opportunity and demandable. That's why I'm here. And yeah.
Okay, fantastic. So have you gone through like, do you know what is ServiceNow or how it works, or have explored anything like that
I think
before, or
it's
it's
like
completely new?
it's almost new, but I think it's the platform for the IT service management, similar to Jira and like some other.
Yes, absolutely. Okay, fantastic. So I'll help you out that not only management, but I'll add on the few more parts with you. Okay, thank you. Thank you so much for sharing, Shilpa. Sheila, you want to go ahead next?
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you, Vishal. So yeah, my name is Sheila Rani, and I have about 20 years of experience in the corporate industry. I've done people management, project management, and transition management, process standardization. So among all of the experience, I think working with the IT and understanding the platforms and the tools, and I've also done tool standardization with Fusion, worked on case management. So I think I realized that, while you have so much of operation background, also to have an IT background is really important in today's market. So I was having conversation with Satish, and so that's when I discovered that, hey, this is an opportunity for me to go ahead and learn and also have an hands-on experience while we worked with IT, finance, and different backgrounds and different cross-functional businesses. Um,
Yes.
so yeah, so to know the tool in and out, more from the administrative aspect. So I'm, very excited and looking forward to learning.
Fantastic, fantastic. Welcome. So anything specific or it's completely new to you, service now?
I've see, and directly we haven't worked on services now, but we have done
Oh,
incident management, especially, when you manage a team where you have different tools that you work. If there is a break and you really have to raise a
right, right.
incident, then you have IT involved to fix the issue. It could be system related, it could be tool related, it could be a glitch. So yeah, so
Okay,
indirectly definitely worked on that Snow and those platforms, but not
okay,
having the
small.
knowledge
Okay,
of
got it.
actually what it means to work on it. Yes,
Okay, fantastic. Very good. So we'll help you to get to know it in more details for sure.
absolutely. Looking forward to that, Vishal. Thank you.
Yes, thank you. Hey, Abdul, you are there? Abdul Imran Muhammad. Friends, it would be great, like if you can go ahead and volunteer yourself, that would be awesome. The one who is, hey, Supreet, you are there? Supreet.
Yes, I'm here. Hi,
Yes,
Vishal.
yes, please go ahead.
How
I'm
are
good.
you?
How are you?
I'm good. Thanks for asking. So my name is Supreet. I am from an IT background. Have certifications like MCSE, CCNA, and
Oh, very good.
I have experience about 10 years in IT for positions like network analyst, NOC consultant, and technology analyst in companies like TELUS, IBM, and Rogers. And
Fantastic.
you know, due to this COVID thing, I lost my job and now I'm working in a call center these days. And trying to explore some new career where I can get the foot in the door, and then probably, I'm new to this service now, and
Okay.
again, looking forward to exploring a new career and go from there.
Okay, fantastic. So I'm sure you would have used many ITSM tools. Like, have you used any tools like that before?
Yes, I have. Like, in what sense are you looking for? Monitoring tools? Are you talking about Nagios?
No, no,
I
in
have
general, like, have you ever used a Jira or something like that, or any IT service management tool where
not
you report
exactly.
everything? Okay.
No, but I have used ticketing system. I've heard this is also a ticketing system.
Yes,
I
yes,
have used Synergy. I have used, if you've heard of that Remedy ticketing system.
yes.
In fact,
I've heard.
yeah, Remedy, Synergy, and I've used couple of other ticketing systems in my previous work experience. Yeah, I have.
Okay, fantastic, fantastic. So that the journey will be much easier for you then in that case. In fact,
Perfect.
for everyone in the room, the journey will be easier because what we are going to do is we are going to start from zero to hero. So everyone in the room will ensure and they'll be more than happy to go ahead. Very good. Thank you. Thank you, Supreet.
You're welcome.
Who's next?
Yeah, I
Who
can
would
go.
like to go next?
I
Yeah,
can
yeah,
go.
please go ahead.
Karishma.
Yeah, hi, Karishma. Go ahead.
Yeah, so I have experience. I have basically 18 years of experience in the corporate world. I started my career in FMCG, and then after that was with advertising. And then I moved from advertising to Canada, and I joined here contact center. I worked in contact center, and I did a lot of IT tools management, especially in customer contact center. And now I work for a financial consulting company, and I'm a client communication strategist. So I do a lot of marketing and IT. I do a lot of
Okay.
marketing automation work, but I definitely want to transition into what ServiceNow has to offer, and what tools basically ServiceNow has to offer. If it can actually make me more employable, that would be great.
Fantastic. So which tools you have used in like previous work experience?
Um, I have used a couple of IT tools. There was Sintel, I think, and
Okay.
um, uh, then I have used uh, you know uh, basically I've used customer service incident respond reporting tools. There is Groove that I've used, HubSpot, Marketo.
HubSpot. Okay. That's a CRM.
Yeah,
HubSpot is a CRM. Okay. Okay.
yeah.
Fantastic. Super, super. Great, great. Awesome. Who would like to go next? Like anyone else would like to go ahead next? Dhanush, you want to go ahead next? Alexander, please go ahead.
Hi, my name is Alexander, and I have experience in business analyst, but I haven't had experience with this before. So yeah,
Okay. Very good. And like how many years of experience you have in the BA?
2 years.
Okay. Fantastic. Very good. Abdul Zaid, Ishrat, Terence, Dhanush.
Yeah, sure. I'd like to go next.
Yeah, please go ahead.
So my name's Ishrat, and actually Karishma and I think Supreet gave me courage to share. I also have call center experience. I was beginning to feel
Very good.
initially a little intimidated by all the stellar intellectuals we have here with very solid IT backgrounds. So um, I personally do not actually have any IT background, so I'm here
Oh,
because Sudesh reached out and it was intriguing. And he said, well, you don't need coding, you don't need anything. You can start
right,
from
right.
scratch and you can break into IT. So um, I have friends, right? And I don't think they're particularly more qualified or smarter or what have you, but everybody seems to be working as business and in business analysis, and they're all
Right,
making a lot
right.
more than I am. And I'm curious, so I'm here to follow my curiosity, learn, absolutely learn. And I don't know if it's for me. I don't know if I'll be any good, but I'm kind of tempted to try and see if I can learn, whether it'll, serve me in any tangible way. So I'm here. In as far as wow, where to begin? So
Please, please
I've
go
got
ahead. I'm enjoying.
yeah, yeah. So I've got like I started working in a call center in the pandemic, and that's my only work experience in Canada so far. And I've been here for a pretty long time, but I was, yeah, at home with my kids. Very blessed to be here. But anyway,
Fantastic.
uh, yeah. So here we are, and I feel like I'm in good company, and hopefully I
Fantastic.
can
So
keep up. Hmm.
great. So, Ishan, one thing is confirmed that you have used CRM.
CRA, not sure what
CRM,
that is.
customer relationship management. Have you used? Like, where do you
Uh,
respond to all your
so
queries in the call center? Yes.
So yeah, so we use Zendesk. I'm pretty fluent with it. So that's about it. But there's
like
also
if I
other. Mhm. There's also things like, monitoring tools and stuff like that. There's a lot of one needs to be have a lot of learning agility and technical like agility to be able to master some of the usages of multiple different platforms, um,
okay,
Zoom, all kinds of stuff, call center stuff. So I'm not saying that I'm
fantastic.
particularly fluent, but yeah, Zendesk is something that I'm comfortable with because I've worked with it and in it exclusively. So again, ticketing is a huge part. And if you don't mind me asking, I'm so curious to know, Karishma, what is the
Yes, please go
contact
ahead.
center that you work at?
Uh, the what contact center I worked at?
Mhm. Or
I
are you
wo-
currently employed in?
I no, I'm currently with a financial consulting firm. I was
Mhm.
employed in teleperformance and
Teleperformance. Okay, cool. Okay,
teleperformance
amazing.
and then I worked with uh, Altis recruitment
Mhm.
and Altis recruitment uh, they had Driasi, a contact center.
Wow,
Okay, not sure what that is, but I'd love to find out. We should get
Okay.
together for
fantastic,
coffee and
fantastic.
pick each other's brains.
Yeah, that's true. Do you live in Toronto?
Yeah,
I just moved from Toronto to a little southwestern city close to Windsor. Yeah,
Oh, okay.
but
Okay.
we can
fantastic.
Zoom.
Yeah, we
And
can
Mr.
see.
So,
Sutradhar, Mr. Sutradhar, chip in. What contact center are you with?
You're asking me, Supreet?
Supreet,
yes.
yes.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm working with the Bill Gosling outsourcing these days. However, I have previous experience back home in India with Wipro. And other than that, I have worked with couple of IT companies like IBM, TELUS, Rogers as a network specialist, technology analyst, and these kind of roles.
Wonderful. Well,
Fantastic. So
welcome
Ishrat,
aboard,
you got
everyone.
more than yes. So Ishrat now is more happy.
I'm happy. Yeah, I'm happy to find someone with a similar,
Great.
if not exactly the same, yeah, similar kind of, at
So
least in terms
friends,
of.
friends, just to share in, like it's not about everyone here is a learner, right? Even I'm learning, Sudesh bhai is learning, everyone is learning. So it's like everyone here is going to help each other to grow each other. We are going to learn from each other's experience. So please feel free because I can see like this is for the first time ever. Like many of you are not responding, not giving an intro. Guys, if you're completely new to this, please go ahead because if you don't share, we will not know. Because we are going to help you. It's not about the journey, but it's about going along with and going through a journey which will be fun for everyone. So we are here for a learning experience where we learn. So please share and thank you, Ishrat and others, for sharing in. So if you have never been into IT and you are actually transitioning into IT, we will help you accordingly. So that will also help us because the initial three sessions are like the building blocks for us because we can plan our session in a way that we'll be able to help you out and make most out of this. Okay, great. So who would like to go next?
Hey, hi, myself Abdul Zaid.
Hi, Abdul.
Yeah, so coming to my background, I did my bachelor's in commerce from with computer science specialization. Then I worked for Amazon customer support for 5 years.
Okay.
Then in Hyderabad. Then I moved to USA to pursue my master's in MBA. So with specialization as MIS. So yeah, currently
Very good.
I'm still pursuing. So probably I would be graduating in the month of May.
Fantastic. And like, how ServiceNow? Like, do you know ServiceNow? Have you worked on ServiceNow?
Actually, I was a bit inclined towards business analyst, and I have one of my friend who is into product management, and he's a product owner into senior role.
Okay. Fantastic, Abdul. Great.
So I saw him, figured it out. Yeah, I mean, yeah. So it's related to it. Yeah.
So I'm a bit confused, as I'm still trying to get into, non-technical role, and I'm a bit confused, to go whether I should go in cyber security, or to business analyst or IT, service now business analyst. So yeah, I mean, I'm receiving mixed reviews, you know, uh, with regards to various domains, like so.
Okay.
Where to
It's
step in
with
and what.
everyone. Everyone is in the same boat, like everyone. So Abdul, what you have to do is just book your currently link with Sudesh Bhai, and he'll actually guide you to the next level. So
Yeah.
feel free to share all your queries because see, the whole idea is we all at a stage are a bit confused, might be, or probably we don't know the right way if we are
Mhm.
transitioning into this. So Sudesh Bhai
Yeah.
will guide you accordingly. And if required, you can connect with me also. I can help you out in transitioning and I can guide you that what is best for you.
Perfect. Perfect. Sounds great. Thank you so much.
Super, super. Thank you. Yes. So who else is left? Like I can see many of you. Michelle, Gotham, Lloyd, Ometro, Sunday, Stephen.
Yeah, like as Riley said earlier,
Yes.
I have I have almost about 20 years working experience in administrators
Okay.
back home. Yeah,
Right.
I have my advanced diploma in computer engineering, and as well as I have my diploma in administrative business administration. Sorry, and then also I work as HR in the construction companies for more than 20 good years back home then. So when I moved back down to Canada, that was last year precisely. I
Mhm.
couldn't get a job, but I have to go for the security outfit where I am currently being employed as a security guard. But meanwhile, I still have a focus on either on going on the business analyst or an administrative, and as well as cyber security or data analyst. As I have working, I am almost about 5 to 6 good years experience in an IT professions. Thank you.
Oh, very good. Very good. Fantastic. Great. Anyone else would like to add on or we will continue?
Yeah,
Oyetola.
I'll
Yeah,
go.
please go ahead. There.
I'll go. My name
Yes, yes,
is
yes. Please go
Ometere.
ahead. Ometro.
My name is Ometere Edu. I am coming from a non-IT background. I've been in oil and gas and logistics for like 13 years. I'm in Abata. I just got curious and I'm interested in ServiceNow. I read about it and I see that is really on high demand. And I think it would be a good choice for a career change. And I just keep my fingers crossed.
Fantastic. Fantastic. So, friends, trust me, after Ishrat's intro, I'm sure many of you would like to go ahead and give it your introduction. So, friends, feel free. Feel free. Everyone is a learner here. So, please feel free if you want to share in. Otherwise, we'll move ahead. Okay, great. And I'll just wait for 10 more seconds. Anyone would like to go ahead and add on, or otherwise, we'll go ahead with the session? Okay, great. So, friends, what I'm going to do is before moving into the session, I'm going to go ahead and help you with how ServiceNow will look like. Okay. So, before moving or diving into the session, I'm going to share in one link to you. Again, this link is safe. You can go ahead and do that. So, I'll be showing you by registering on a developer instance for ServiceNow, which we will be using to take it forward our journey. Okay, yes. Hey, hi, Michelle. Thank you. Thank you so much for sharing. You have used ServiceNow. Okay, fantastic. And like, how many years of experience you have, Michelle? That would be awesome. You can share. So, friend, this whole training will be majorly a practical training where we will be going through the complete ServiceNow modules. basic configurations, how it works. We'll be also covering many things into it, which I'll be sharing shortly. So let us quickly go ahead and start by registering our developer instance. Okay. So anyone would like to volunteer by sharing the screen? Like anyone is okay? If you want to share your screen, if you are on a desktop, it would be great if you want to share the screen. Anyone is comfortable? Otherwise, I'll go ahead. Don't worry. So friends, just a moment. I am sharing you the link. Okay. So in this, I'll go. I'll showcase. Don't worry. Okay. So friends, I have shared you a link, developer.servicenow.com. Let me go ahead and share it. I'll share my screen and I'll show you how you can go ahead and register with the instance. So this is just getting started. This is the platform where we'll be working on. So I'm just sharing the screen. So I've shared the link. You can go ahead on that and can get started. Okay. I hope you are able to see my screen now. This is the link. Okay, just a minute. Yes. I hope you are able to see my screen now.
Yep, we can see your screen.
Super. So this is how the ServiceNow page will look like. I hope everyone is able to view here on the right side. There is an option. See, so we are at developer.servicenow.com. So first we have to go ahead and sign up here. So if you have registered, you can simply go ahead and sign in. The ones who are completely new, you have to go ahead and sign up first. Okay, so you can directly go to get a ServiceNow ID, or what you can do is on the home page, there is an option where you can simply go ahead and I'll show you, don't worry. Okay, so that's so in the homepage only, there's an option sign up. You can directly go ahead and sign up. So take your time, go ahead and sign it up. I'll use an alt ID. Let's see. I'm just using one of the IDs. You can use any ID you want. So friends, again, very, very crucial part. Save the password here. Whatever password you are sharing in, please save the password because this is very crucial. There's a high chance that you might actually go ahead and forget the password in the next session. So it's always recommended to go ahead and get started. Once you do this and click on sign up, I'll save it for here. But I will, as a cybersecurity expert, I would not recommend to save it. But since you are learning, go ahead and save it. Ensure that once this is done, you will receive a mail on your email ID and you have to click on verify. Once the email ID is verified, you will be able to go ahead and see that. So I'll just check my mail. I'll quickly show you. So friend, this is something which will come up, pop up in your screen, verify email ID. And as you verify, it will show you, thank you, your ID has been verified. And you can see that it is directly taking me through the page. Okay. So this is how the page will pop up. Can everyone confirm that we were able to log in till here now? And this is the first thing which will pop up on your screen. Friends, can we have yes in the chat box? The ones who have already done this? Okay, super. Confirm. Very good. So friends, please type yes in the chat box if you were able to successfully log in. And this is the screen which will come in now.
It asks that do you have code? So do I have to click yes or no?
Which one?
It says, do you have code? Should I click yes or no?
Do you have code?
Code. I need a developer oriented IDE. No,
Yeah. First, I need a developer. Yes. I need a developer.
Okay.
So once you do that, it will come up this. So this is the first page. So this is the first page. You can select any one of this. So you can select whatever you want, but let's start with yes. Okay, so friends, let me know once done because this is very crucial. And so I'll wait for 5 minutes for everyone to share yes. Anand, Sheila, everyone, once done, please share yes in the chat box. That will help me to understand.
Already done, Vishal.
Okay, awesome. Very good. So friends, here you can select IT admin, select on I have read and agree, and you can click on finish setup. So this is the page which will pop up. Okay. So that's a lot more going to happen. So let's quickly. Okay, done. So I'll just wait for 2 more minutes. Okay, Apeksha done, Tajuddin done. Very good. So I guess that was easy. Very good. So I'll wait for 1 more minute.
Sorry, Vishal, you said we should click on I need a developer oriented IDE.
Yes.
Okay.
You can click any one of. That's okay. No problem.
And then we said for job description, developer, we can pick everything.
You can pick anything you want. You can get started with IT admin. Otherwise, you can pick anything.
All right, thank you.
So this is part of your profile, which you can go ahead and always go ahead and change. Okay.
All right, thank you.
Friends, let me know once done. So once done, is on the right side, you will see your name. And if you click on this, this will show up your profile, and this part is blank because currently we have not requested an instance. Okay. So we'll just wait for 30 seconds and then start with the next one. Friends, okay. I hope everyone has done this.
So after ID developer thing, what do we click on? Like we have four
You select
options
IT
here.
admin, IT admin, IT
No,
admin,
no,
and
no.
IT admin.
I have not. I have
yes,
not
I
finished
agree.
my setup, please.
Yeah, no problem. I'm
Vishal,
waiting.
please
I'm
can you?
waiting.
Vishal, please can you assist? I have not finished my setup, please. Thank you.
Yeah, I'll wait. No problem. Please, don't worry. So, friends, don't worry. I'll not rush in. So, ideally, this would have come in the last, but why I want you to show this is because this is very, very easy. And trust me, the journey ahead will be much fun if you follow what I'm sharing. So, I'll be going a bit slow, ensuring that everyone in the room learns together. The ones who have done it fast, very good. Karishma, I hope done. Ishrat, done for you. Okay, Ishwat has done. Very good. Nitali has done it. Very good. Okay, almost I have. Ismail bhai, I'll be waiting for you. Once you type done in the chat box, I'll go ahead.
Yeah. I'm in signing in with your ServiceNow ID.
Okay, very good, very good. Karishma done.
But should I put my email?
Yes.
Yeah, I've put in my email now. Or what it was now telling me is okay. So remember what is it next? It was asking a password which I have never
Yes.
created. Should I put a
No,
password?
so Ismail, what you have to do is there is an option called sign up at the bottom.
Oh, sign up at the bottom.
Yes, because you have not since you are registering it for the
okay.
first time.
Okay, yeah. Is it a
Yes.
get a ServiceNow ID?
Yes, that's the right one. Please go ahead.
All right. Okay. All right.
So the reason is because we are logging into the website for the first time. We have to first sign up. So once it says get a ServiceNow ID, it will be asking you the basic details. Once you fill it up, a mail will be going to your inbox, which will ask to verify your service ID. Once the service ID is verified, you can log on with the service ID, and then this is the screen which will come in. Okay, I'll just wait for a minute and then start.
Hi, Vishal. I just have a question.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Like I clicked start building, and after like couple of seconds, now I can see your instance is ready with the URL and username and current password. What should I do here? Return to the developer side and open instance?
Yes, yes. So congratulations, you have advanced to the next level.
Oh, sorry. I think I'm just confused, like what to do. So
So
instead of I
it's
messed up, I should ask.
trust me, it's fun. The good part is if you make a mistake, you can still go ahead and set it up. So that's completely in your control.
Then I'm good.
So
Then I'll
please
not bother you
go ahead.
with so many.
Feel free. I'll be more than happy.
Sorry, it's asking me.
I have a question. Okay.
No,
What is
it's
the question?
asking me.
Perfect. Thank you.
It's trying to ask me about the code. Did you code?
So select the first one.
Okay, developer.
Yeah. And then select IT admin, agree.
Okay.
Yeah, I am now in verify. I mean verify,
You have
right?
to click on verify. Yes, click on verify and it will get verified.
Verify. Is it on that? Is that create your new service ID? Use this link to create new service ID.
Ismail,
No.
do you want to share your screen so we can guide you?
Oh, there is no way to share my screen here because I'm not using I'm also using another laptop.
Okay. No problem. So see, once you click on my ID, you will have to fill up the form. I'll show you. Just a minute, okay? Just give me a minute. Okay. Just okay. I hope you can see my screen now. So once you click on sign in here, so either you can click in sign in here on the top, it was sign up, and then get a ServiceNow ID. Says this get a ServiceNow ID. You have to click here.
No.
So once you click here, this will appear. This page. So have you filled up this form? Ismail?
Yeah, I've finished to that side. Yes, yes.
Okay, fantastic. And so once you click on sign
I've
up,
I've
it will
submitted.
say, okay, very good. So
Yeah,
now if you
I've
click,
submitted. So
so,
it's get me. It
okay,
said thank you. A service now ID has been created for you
okay, very
with
good.
my email.
Right. So now you have to go to your email. Check your email.
Okay, I'm in my email. Verify.
Yes, yes. So check your email. If you check your email, you will get a verify email. Yes.
Yeah, I've verified now.
Yes. So once you verify, it will ask you, do you code? And then it will take you.
It said that getting started. Hello, it's time.
Yes.
Help us. So is it yes? I should pick. Or I
Yes.
need a guide experience, or I need a developer.
Developer. Developer.
Okay. Yeah. Now I'm in what best describe
IT admin.
job? Pardon
IT
me?
admin. Select admin. IT
Okay.
admin. And I agree.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
So
Now.
once done, you will come into this page.
Yeah.
So those who have already got started by clicking on this, on the right side, you have to click on request instance. So you can click on request instance. So friends, simply click on request instance. Ismail, I hope you
Yeah.
are on this page now.
Yeah. I'm in.
So,
I'm in developer ServiceNow developer.
okay. So now see on the right side, there's a button called request instance. Can you see that? Like this, the one currently I'm showing in my screen.
Oh no. Yeah. Request on instance.
Yes.
I should click that.
Click on that. Yes, yes.
Okay.
So friends, once you click on request instance, it will start building the instance for you. It will take some time because it's on cloud. So just wait for a while. Wait for a few seconds. And suddenly you will see that the button is now gone. And you can see that on the left side, the part which was initially blank will show me my instance status as online, Xanadu admin. Because if you click on this and wait for a while, it will pop up your instance username and password also. So I'll show you. I hope everyone is now on this page. Everyone, friends, can we have a yes in the chat box? Everyone has created a new instance. Apeksha, you have to simply go ahead. So Apeksha, what you can do is on the home page, like just go to developer.servicenow.com. On the right side, you will find your name. It would be like AS. And if you click on the drop down, it should look like this. Please follow this. Okay. I hope everyone here has this now on. Everyone has created the instance. Okay, fantastic. So don't worry. In case if anything goes wrong, just go to developer.servicenow.com. So it will take you to the home page, and on the page, you will find your name on the right side. And if you click here, it will show you your My instance and it will show you all the details. Okay. Under that, you will see Manage Instance Password. This is the where we will go ahead and click. So if you click on Manage Instance Password, these are your login credentials. So don't share it with others. So don't share it with others, but this is where you will see your instance password. Interestingly, once you register your instance, your instance should look like this. See, dev some numbers dot servicenow.com. So if I click on this, see, it will open up my ServiceNow page. So this is my developer instance where I'll be working on my, and it is asking me a username and password. So this is my username and password. I'll be copy pasting it and log in. So you can log in from there also.
Hi, I have a quick question, Vishal. Can we customize our usernames and passwords? Because these are I'm not going to remember any of them. Like, can I
Yes, you
change
can. You
my
can.
yeah?
Yes, yes, yeah. So we have just got started. So don't worry. There's an option. See, you can reset your instance password.
Okay, that's good. Yeah,
There is. Yes.
I see
Everything
that.
is so it's in your control. Everything is customizable. Whatever you want, anything, everything is customizable. So don't worry. Okay. Yeah, Piksha, please go ahead.
Yeah, so I'm clicking on the instance URL. So when I'm going, it is again directing me to the page where it says application again. And I can see the service catalog, knowledge, request, and all the
Okay.
stuff.
So Apeksha, one quick check. On the right side, when you click on the name part on
Yeah,
the instance,
yeah.
check what is your user role. What is your user role? Just check.
Just a minute. Oh, I didn't select that. Do you want me to go for IT admin?
Yes, because
Oh, okay.
on the right side, see, there's an option called change user role. So if you
Yeah,
click
yeah,
on change user role, if you select admin, then because we will be selecting admin, then only you'll be able to learn.
yeah. I have changed it.
So friend, we have just started, so don't worry. Okay, I'm just I'll go slow only, so don't worry. We'll not rush. Take your time.
Sorry, I've lost a bit. I'm in start building.
Okay.
Should
No,
I
you
should
don't
I
have to click on. No, you
pardon?
don't have to click on start building. That's the later
Pardon?
part. Ismail, just go
Yeah,
to developer.servicenow.com. Just simply go to this page, developer.servicenow.com.
yeah,
Once you go to developer.servicenow.com, before clicking on start building, right side, you will find your name. If you click here, it should pop up like this. So here, under manage instance
yeah.
password, you will get all the data. So I would request everyone
Okay,
to store this.
managing
Yes.
password. Okay,
Yes, yes. So it will give you the instance name, your URL, and username and password.
okay. Instant name.
Yes. That is where you will log in. So if you click on start building, it will take you to that page, but it's for your use. You can keep the name. Yes. So this is where your instance URL, admin, and password is there. Okay.
Uh,
Okay,
sorry.
that manage instant password. What am I going to use it for?
So this is your instance. So in ServiceNow, whatever we are going to learn, we are going to use in this only. So we'll be working on ServiceNow at this URL. This is your own independent URL where you will be working. We'll be learning our ServiceNow here.
Okay, okay. That means that I have to copy it somewhere.
Yes. So
So,
Ismail, what we are doing is we are building an account in our cloud platform, right? So in cloud platform, you are one of, you will also require your account, right? So in your account, this is your particular developer instance, which is exclusively prepared for you.
Okay.
Yes, Supreet, please go ahead.
Yeah, I was wondering, it's asking me for opening an instance and it says your instance is ready.
Yes, very good. And once the instance is ready, which means good to go. And it will pop up your username and password also.
Yes.
Yes. So please note that down because that's what I showed you. Once I click on this, see, I have just used this credential and I have logged on to this page. So this page should look like this. So I went to this URL, I use my username and password. Once I go there, it should pop up like this. So friend, this is my actual instance where we'll be working. So this is the page which will appear like this. See? So I'm just waiting for others. So guys, everyone on this page, can we have a yes in the chat box? Have you logged on to your instance? Or if you can simply click on start building, this will open up.
Yeah.
So can we have yes in the chat box?
Yeah,
Done so that we can proceed.
for me, it
Okay, very
shows
good.
applications, service catalog, knowledge, my request, connect, my
It
approval
shows
was
Yes,
application basically.
right. Okay. So what you have to do is, can you check here? Just check what is your user role.
it shows admin.
It shows admin, right? Fantastic. So on the right side, see manage instance password.
Uh,
Can you see manage instance password?
yeah, yeah, I can see.
Okay. Yeah. So now you have to go to this URL, copy paste this URL or simply click on this URL. So once
Okay.
you click on this URL, it will ask you for a username and password. Please enter this. So once you enter, this page will pop up.
No, it's not
No, that's
the
taking
same.
us to applications that is giving
Application
us six
service
options: service catalog,
No problem.
knowledge, my request, my incident, my approvals, and connect.
Yeah,
Exactly.
same
Yeah,
here.
That's
that's
My
what, same
Same
thing for
here
me as
is
well.
happening to me as well. Same here.
yours is
no
different.
problem. So that's okay. No problem. Can someone share the screen? I'll guide you.
Said username or password invalid. To rest your admin password, click here. Please
No,
note
so
this is different. So it's not
it will work.
yeah, well, it is when I copied it and then open it through the instance URL. I have to copy the admin and the password, but it's not going.
Okay. Ismail, so it would be great like if you can connect your laptop, that would be awesome. So anyone would like to share the screen, the ones who are facing the issue, like instance thing? Let's solve it. Ismail, it would be
Okay,
great. Otherwise, just please wait for a while. I'll help you out. Okay.
okay.
Fine.
Hello.
Okay. Fine.
Mine is showing
Yeah, okay.
username
Yes. So
and
this is
password.
Ishad, you are at right place now. Okay. So just expand this. Yes. Just expand. On the top, browser. On the browser, expand on the top. Full screen. Do it as a view. Yes. Top. Just a minute. Yeah. Perfect. So guys, this is appearing.
No.
Apeksha, is this the page?
No, it's not the page. I have
Okay.
changed like it's showing that
Right. So
IT admin thing, but when I'm going through the URL, it's again taking me to the same page where it says
okay,
application.
no problem. I'll so Ishad, you are on right page. Okay, that's okay. Perfect.
But
You are absolutely
it
at the right.
doesn't tell me anything about signing in anywhere.
Same
In fact,
here.
there's a tiny little icon here
Ah,
which
yeah.
I don't know who that
So,
is and what
so
he's
this
doing.
is by default. So this is by default system admin's page. So don't worry, you are
I
at
see.
right place.
I see. Okay.
Okay. Yes.
I
Is
don't
So
it
think
if
I
on
got
the
is it to do with the browser that we are using? Do we need to have a Chrome?
so Chrome is preferred.
Okay,
Chrome
I
and
think it
Firefox
could
is
be.
preferred.
Yeah, it could be because of that we are getting into a page, right,
So
which just
if you're
says service
using
level.
I'm
Edge, you
using
might
Chrome,
find
but
some
I'm
issue.
not. I'm at service catalog knowledge and
That's okay. So one of you can share the screen. I'll guide you. Don't worry. So Ishra, just for you, you are at the right place. Absolutely correct. Okay. So if someone can share the screen, I can guide you. Don't worry. It would be fun. Please.
Okay, I'll try to quickly share my screen. Let's see.
Yeah. So guys, don't worry. It's very easy. It's
Sorry, it's not allowing me to because I'm on mobile. So I'm just trying to figure out how do I share the
okay. Okay.
screen.
So anyone, yes, anyone facing an issue, please let me know. Ramandeep, if you can share your screen.
Do you see my screen by any chance?
Not yet,
No.
brother.
Sure, 1 second, please. Let me share.
Yeah. Yes, I can now see your screen.
Can you see my screen, Vishal? I just shared it.
Apeksha, yes, I can see your screen now.
Yeah,
You're
yeah,
on
yeah.
a phone,
So,
right?
yeah, I'm on a phone. Yeah. So
Okay.
there you go. This is what I'm getting.
Correct.
Yeah.
So see, for phone it will be different, but you are actually logged into your instance. That's okay.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
So I
So
just click.
once, yes, yeah. So if you're logging, I would recommend to log in from the system, but otherwise phone, it's fine. It's okay because you have already logged in, right? This will show up this only. Don't worry.
Okay.
I'll help you. Don't worry. But I would prefer that if you use your laptop, if you're using phone, then this is the right view.
Okay. Yeah.
Apeksha, one thing you need to put your phone on the charge.
Oh yeah. Thank you.
Vishal, are
Great.
you able to see my screen?
Just a minute. Like, yes, you can share
Uh,
now.
I did share my
I'm
screen.
allowed. Yeah. Now, please share your screen now. Please share it now.
I'm sharing my own first.
Ismail, yes, please just wait for a while. No problem. I'll guide you. So, Ismail, don't
Yeah.
worry. We have just started. So, I'll guide you. Don't worry. Yes, you are at right page. Raman, you are
Yeah.
at right page. This is the default login page, developer instance. You are absolutely on the right page. So you can see on the top your URL, right? See, this is your URL, dev228237.servicenow.com. So you are at right place. It should show you Creator Studio. Okay.
That's what is showing me. Create Studio.
Yes.
So I click
Perfect.
on
Yes.
Open Creator Studio.
No, you have to click on all.
Where
On
is
the
that?
left, see, there's a tab called all. Yes. Click on that.
Yes, got it.
So
Thank
we've
you.
just got started. Yes, we have just got started. So don't worry. Okay. So friends, now okay, everyone.
I'm sharing my own. Can you see?
No, just a minute. Okay. So Raman, I'm stopping the share. Okay, don't worry. Yes. Ismail, you can share. I'll guide you.
Yeah, already shared. I'm sharing now. Can you see it?
No, not yet. Ismail, this laptop is connected?
Yeah, I'm coming.
No, I cannot see that. So friends, if it pops up Creator Studio, you are at a right place. Yes. Toyin says application. Okay, no problem. So friends, if you follow step by step, you will be at the right place.
Yeah,
If
can you
not,
see now?
no. Yes, I can see now. Now I can see now. Yes, okay.
Yeah, this is where I am. But I want to now, if I click this now,
Yes, click on that.
I've clicked it. Yeah, this is what gets me.
Yes, type admin. Username is admin. Yes.
Yeah.
And password. Save the password. Copy paste the password. Yes. You can copy from the click on this. Okay. Login. And
So
congratulations.
this
It
is what
says
you get.
welcome. Okay, just a minute. So what you can do is just paste the password. Let me check whether you are pasting the right password or not. Just paste the password here. Ismail, you can paste your
This
password
is the
once. Yeah. Yes, copy that. Yes, copy. Copy the whole thing. Yes. Right click, copy. That's okay. That's okay. Ismail, I am asking. Yeah, okay. Perfect. Just paste your password once. Just paste your password. Don't add the username. Just paste your password. Just paste the password here. Yes. Just hold on. Don't rush. Yes. Click on show password. Click on show password. On the right side, there's an I button. Yes. On the
I should
right
show.
side, there's an I. Yes. Click on that. Okay. Log in. Okay. So what you have to do is just go back to your instance and click on reset password. Probably you might have hit on the reset password. So don't worry. So friends, yes. So just do one thing. Yes. Reset instance password. There's an option. See, Ismail, there's an option on the right side. Right side.
Yeah, resets.
No,
Resets.
no, no. Right. Just hold on, Ismail. I am asking you to share the control. Okay, please allow.
Okay.
Okay, just a minute. Okay, okay. See, this is a new reset instance password. So if you click here, it will reset your password. Just a minute. Okay, so hold on.
Okay.
So it will give you a new password, and then you can go to this tab. So I can see like lot many tabs are open already, right? So it's always better to go back and open this up.
Okay.
So it takes some time. Okay, just hold on. Okay, copy. Yes, Apeksha, please go ahead.
Yeah, I'm on the screen. I got it. I guess it's the phone. If we are logging from the phone, is not allowing us. But I just
Yeah,
logged
yeah.
in from my laptop and I'm there on the page.
Yes, it works. So don't worry. The good is you tried with the phone. Now you know what is to be done.
Yeah.
So now you can paste. Ismail, you can paste the password and it will log in.
Okay.
Yep. Log in. Click on login. So guys, this is so friends, trust me. So Ismail, no worries. No worries. Don't worry. We'll sort it out. So friends, this is how. So Ismail, we can close it for the day. Don't worry. We'll get back on this and we'll solve it out for you. Don't worry. Okay.
Okay.
I'll help you out. No worries. So friends, this is how we get started. So I'm sure everyone is super excited now. Everyone wants to log in. Most of you would have logged in. The ones who were not able to log in, rest assured, in the next class when we start, everyone will be on the same page. Okay. So Ismail, don't worry. I'll connect with you and I can help you. I'll guide you what is to be done. So what I've shown you, just reset the password, save it, and it will be done for you. Okay. Great. Ramandeep, if you have any questions. Okay, great. So, friends, I guess this is the time where we close in for the day. I'm sure we had fun.
Sorry,
So,
Vishal, sorry,
yeah,
I
yeah.
couldn't unmute. So where we have to go after we click in under all? You said we have to go under
So, Raman,
all?
just the movie has not yet started.
Okay.
So, so this was the thing which we have to do last, but I started because this is going to be fun. So don't worry. The magic will begin. So
Okay,
magic
thank
has
you.
not started because before clicking on or hitting on that all button, you need to know a lot. Okay. You need to know what ServiceNow is, what are the benefits, and then we dive into the journey. Rest assured, in the next class, we'll get started. Don't worry. Okay. So it's this is how the platform will look like. So it's a browser. Once you click on all, you can see everything, every modules will be there. So I'll be taking you through the UI. And I'll be guiding you through the UI and we'll close it. Okay? Awesome. Great.
Okay.
So guys, this is all we close it for the day. We'll be meeting in the next class where I'll be starting with the instance and I'll be starting with my presentation. I'll be starting with what ServiceNow, why ServiceNow, what are the different modules, and then I'll take you through UI experience. I hope you enjoyed. Yes, of course, since today was an intro class, we started with the introduction, but going forward, we'll be getting started with our hands-on on our ServiceNow instance. So any questions from your end? Yeah. Okay. So yeah, super. So friends, the journey has just started. I'm sure everyone is now want to click on that all and wants to know what to do next. So just hold it for a while. We will get it started. Don't worry. Okay. Anand bhai,
Thank
what
you.
happened? Anand bhai, great, great. So you have to unmute yourself. Anand bhai, you have to unmute yourself.
I
Yeah.
was just messaging you, thank you, and I was just about to ask when next, tomorrow, same time.
No, it's
Oh,
not
I will
tomorrow. It's
share that
on.
information. I will share that information.
Yes.
Vishal bhai, thank you so
Sure.
much for the first session.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
And
Okay. Thank you.
guys, thank you for being till the end. And I hope you guys, the first session, it's all about to understand and get access to the ServiceNow instance. And so the next session will be on Wednesday evening, 7 p.m. and followed by Friday evening, 7 p.m. First three sessions are absolutely complimentary, no financial
Thank you.
commitments. And I do want to tell you that we are the only company who are training people for ServiceNow technology. Okay, in US and Canada. Okay, job market is good globally. The outcome of this training is you can either become a ServiceNow administrator, which is also a great career to kick off with, and also you can also become a business analyst. All right. So specialization in ServiceNow as a business analyst opens a lot of doors for you. ServiceNow is a cloud platform, also integrates with AI technology too. We exactly know what is the market requirement, so we will train you accordingly. So the first phase is training, second phase is we'll start working on pre-marketing phases where we help you set up the resume for you, interview questions, mock tests, and we help you transition the job market. So you're going to get an email tomorrow morning. You're going to have the video link, the recording link, which will be posted in our YouTube channel. You can get access to the videos and you can listen to through that. And you're going to have a Calendly link. You can set up a call with me and ask me more questions and get more clarity about this transition. So first phase is ServiceNow. Second phase is full stack IT business analyst training. Okay, so continue to learn, guys. It was great being with you all. See you guys back on Wednesday evening at 7 p.m. You all have a great night. Thank you very much.
You too. Bye bye.
Thank
Take care.
you. Bye bye. Good night.